Hi guys, today I'll do an integral problem. This is a fairly straightforward, but I'll get into the basics first. We know that d by dx of x to the n is nx to the n minus 1. We might have studied that. So similarly, we can do a little bit of algebra here and write that dx to the n is nx to the n minus 1 dx. Right? So I'll bring this n to the bottom. So this becomes dx to the n over n equals x to the n minus 1 times dx. Now I can do one thing here. I can integrate both sides. It's a fair operator. Now n is a constant, so you can just pull it out of the integral, right? So it's 1 over n times the integral of dx to the n equals the integral of x to the n minus 1 dx. Right? Now, we know that the integral of du is nothing but u. It's just summing up all the small elements. So this is kind of the same thing. Dx to the n. That will probably now be this. X to the n over is the integral of x to the n plus n minus 1 dx. Now, I'm going to do a bit of substitution just for simplicity. Let n minus 1 equals some other n. Right? So what is n? N is n plus 1. So this becomes x to the n. N is n plus 1. And similarly, the denominator is also plus 1. It is equal to the integral of x to the n minus 1 is n, right? Here it is n dx. So look at it. Just derive the formula here for the integral of x to the n. So we're going to apply it for this problem here. Just bear with me for a second. I'll just finish this. Bear with me. Okay. So this question says you need to find the integral of this thing. So how do we approach this? We right here derive that the integral of x to the n over n which is equal to x to the m plus 1 over n plus 1. I forgot to tell you that there can be a constant here, and that's because when you differentiate both sides, this constant kind of gets eaten up. It's no more there, so it doesn't make any difference. It's not very. It's not required though. You can write it right if you want marks, especially. Right. So here we can see that m is nothing but n is 5, right? You can see that by comparison. So the answer to this integral becomes, according to this formula, it is x to the 6th over 6 plus constant. This is pretty basic. We'll get into more complicated integrals, and this is the basic that's required. Right? See you